Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the side mirror, the West Coast mirror, on a Cascadia, 2019 Freightliner Cascadia. Uh, if you look here, it just has these two little terminals. That's for the heated mirror part. And then to lock it on and off, it's just got this little slide mechanism here in a circle that you can use to just take it on and off with. This really isn't hard, and I hate to see you pay a dealer, an hour's worth of labor at 200 bucks an hour to do this for you. So let's do this. All right, you can see this old one here has a crack in it. You probably can't see that. It's running from top to bottom, and it's really distorting the mirror. So if you tip the mirror all the way out, you can get your finger back there on that little notch and pry it. But me, my finger was not getting the job done. For some reason, that thing was a little stuck, probably due to the Wisconsin road salt. So we'll grab the next best thing here and my pocket knife. Now, I don't recommend you do that because it's a good way to cut yourself. All you got to do is flip that little thing up, and it just fold it over like this. And then you can just take these little wires for the heating element, pop those babies off, just like so. It's not too hard to do. There, those things are off. So now we just got to put the new one back on. Also, I did order this part off of finditparts.com. They have OEM parts and aftermarket parts for your truck. Use promo code DIY Semi 20 and get $20 off of every order over $200. All right, then we're just going to reverse the process. We'll take these two little prongs here, put them back on the heating element, like so. You can see how that ring just slides around there. The two little dimples sticking out go up in that ring you see inside the holder there. So we put it back in place. Those dimples just sit in that in those little slots back there, and then you can get your finger on that little knob in there. Yes, I am doing a voiceover for this because it was incredibly windy outside and just ruining the sound quality. So you just get that up there, put your finger in there. I'm going to use my pocket knife again because I got fat fingers, and just slide that little knob down like so, and there you are. It's a done job. So let's test out the motor mirror and just make sure she works there back and forth. The mirror's turning. We're good to go. If you like this kind of thing, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you next video.